we have addition of algebraic fractions. How we add algebraic fractions? The same like we add fractions. It means we need to have the same denominator. Let's check our denominators. We have n minus 3 and 3 minus n. If we factorize negative sign in this term, we will get the same expression like we have in the first denominator. So let me copy first algebraic fraction, n minus 3 we have, plus 5 we copy, and if I factorize negative sign, in parentheses I will have negative 3 plus n, because negative and negative give me positive 3, and negative and positive will be negative n. So I have the same what I have at the beginning. I didn't change anything. And now we will copy first fraction, and now we have plus and minus. So I can put negative sign before this whole fraction, or I can take this negative sign to the numerator, because here is like positive 5. So I can take this negative sign to the numerator. So let me do this. We have plus, and now will be negative 5 over this negative sign we have in the numerator. And now what we have in parentheses, negative 3 plus n. So because we have first here n minus 3, so I can change this. And first I put variable n, and we have minus 3. Now we see we have the same denominators. So when we have the same denominators, we copy denominator, minus 3, and we add numerators. So we have 2 plus negative 5. So this is equal 2 plus negative 5 is negative 3. This is my solution. Or we can take this negative sign before this whole fraction, algebraic fraction, so it will be negative 3 over n minus 3. This is my solution.